Hey everyone, in this video, today I'm going to show you how to contact TaxAct customer service. The good news is that TaxAct offers several ways to contact their customer service, including live chat, phone support, and an online help center. Here's how you can reach them. First, go to the TaxAct website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Help or Support option at the top of the page and click on it. Next, open the Help Center. Here you can search for answers to common questions. Simply type your issue into the search bar and select the most relevant article. If you still need assistance, scroll down and choose Contact Support. You can start a live chat with a support agent or view the customer service phone number available for your TaxAct product. Finally, select your preferred contact method, explain your issue clearly, and the support team will guide you through the solution. Thanks for watching.